Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best portable pole is probably one of the most sought-after items for anglers who love to travel light and fish anywhere. Whether you're backpacking through the wilderness, enjoying a relaxing day at the lake, or simply want a fishing rod that's easy to transport and store, a portable fishing pole offers unparalleled convenience and portability without sacrificing performance. This video will review the top portable fishing poles on the market, helping you choose the perfect one for your next fishing adventure. Number 5. QUDRAKAST Fishing Kit. Introducing the new Volcanic Red Fishing Rod Kit. It's a unique design with everything you need to get started fishing. This kit includes a carbon fiber fishing rod, a spinning reel, fishing line, lures, and hooks. You'll be ready to fish right out of the box. It's made from high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass for strength and durability. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling. This telescopic rod is perfect for travel. It's lightweight and easily fits in your car, truck, or even a backpack. Experience the smooth action and instant anti-reverse. The powerful drive gears handle even the strongest fish. The white tip enhances night visibility, and the cross-wrap detail is stunning. It's a truly unique gift. What we like. It boasts a one-of-a-kind appearance and comes with everything you need to start fishing right away. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners or as a thoughtful gift for any fishing enthusiast. If you're looking for a complete package with a stylish touch, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. This reel and rod work very well, are very sturdy and durable, casts as well as most higher-end reels, is very packable, and just an overall a great product. The sections all slide smoothly and the size is perfect. Both poles of mine have held up well and performed great for all types of freshwater fish. Nice pack rod, fast action tip, smooth drag on reel. Number 4. Ronco Pocket Fisherman. It comes with everything you need: line, hook, swivel, weight, bobber, and even a lure. Start fishing right away. Its foldable design is perfect for your pocket or glove compartment. Carry it on your belt or use the wrist strap. The handle hides a tackle box, so you can keep your lures handy without carrying a separate box. It features a smooth, quiet reel with adjustable drag, making it great for all skill levels. The anti-reverse prevents the handle from backspinning. The double-ended rod is strong enough for even the biggest fish. Plus, the reel and cartridge are easily replaceable. Don't miss out on the Ronco Pocket Fisherman. Order yours now and experience the thrill of fishing anytime, anywhere. What we like. Its pocketable size and integrated tackle storage are incredibly convenient. The user-friendly design makes it perfect for casual anglers. If you value portability and ease of use, this is the ideal fishing pole for you. What people say. The Ronco Pocket Fisherman all-in-one portable rod and reel combo spin casting outfit is an excellent product for anyone who loves fishing and wants a compact and portable fishing kit. This product is perfect for those who like to fish while traveling or hiking, as it is foldable and compact. One of the standout features of this fishing kit is its all-in-one design. The kit includes a rod, reel, and tackle, making it a complete fishing kit that is ready to use right out of the box. The rod and reel are made with high-quality materials that are durable and long-lasting. The tackle included in the kit is also of high quality, ensuring that you have everything you need to catch a variety of fish. The folding mechanism is neat, it allows the pole to stay very compact. Number 3. Sougayilang OnlyBrave Rod. Get ready to experience unparalleled fishing convenience. It's lightweight and perfectly balanced for effortless fishing, no matter where your adventures take you. Made from high-density 24-ton carbon fiber and e-glass composite, it's incredibly lightweight. This reduces fatigue, letting you fish longer and enjoy the experience more. Its retractable handle and compact design make it perfect for travel. Take it anywhere and enjoy fishing whenever the mood strikes. The CNC machined aluminum reel seat is strong, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant. It securely holds your reel, ensuring years of reliable use. Stainless steel guides ensure tangle-free operation, smooth casting, and easy retrieval. They're designed for braided or mono fishing lines and offer superior corrosion resistance. It's great for saltwater, freshwater, or kayak fishing. Surprise your loved ones with this thoughtful gift for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. What we like. This fishing rod is impressively lightweight yet robust, making it perfect for long fishing trips. Its compact design makes it easy to transport. If you prioritize portability and a lightweight design without sacrificing durability, this is the one for you. What people say. It's so much easier to transport, due to the telescoping in and out. It's plenty long enough for what I wanted. The stiffness is just right. It handles very well. The price is great. I got my grandson this same pole. Great for travel. Fits about anywhere. Strong rod. Caught a 16-pound northern. Great rod. Number 2. BLISSWILL Combo. This amazing combo includes a telescopic rod and a reel pre-spooled with line, perfect for any angler on the go. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. Everything you need is right here in one convenient package. The reel is crafted from durable ABS plastic, while the rod combines ABS plastic and fiberglass for strength and flexibility. Check out this innovative extended handle. It provides extra space for hooks, bait, and other small fishing gear, and easily retracts when not needed. Folding it is a breeze, simply press down on the spring seat and secure it with the elastic band. And releasing the fishing line is just as simple. With its quality materials, convenient design, and ease of use, this fishing combo offers exceptional value you won't find anywhere else. Get yours today. What we like. It features a unique design and an extendable handle for extra storage. It offers great value for its price. If you are on a budget and looking for a stylish and practical option, this is the best choice for you. What people say. As useful as a full-size fishing rod and reel, but stores easily. Caught a nice 22-inch bass with it last weekend. This fishing rod and reel works great. Fits easily in a backpack. Caught 2 really nice 10-inch yellow perch. It also handled the pull of a large snapping turtle. Number 1. EOW XPEDITE Rod. It's built with high-quality 24T carbon and epoxy for sensitivity and durability. The solid carbon tip ensures flexibility, while the comfortable grip makes for a great fishing experience. It's designed to perfectly balance portability and performance. The sections fit together seamlessly, giving you the feel of a traditional one-piece rod, even when collapsed. It's versatile enough for various fishing styles and locations, from freshwater to saltwater. Being lightweight reduces fatigue, and its compact size makes it perfect for travel. Extending and collapsing it is quick and easy. You can even leave your reel and tackle attached for even faster setup next time. It's made with strict quality control, undergoing rigorous testing before shipment. We're committed to providing excellent after-sales service to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. It's constructed from premium materials for superior performance and durability. Its versatility makes it suitable for various fishing styles and locations. If you want a top-performing rod that's easy to assemble and disassemble, this is the best option. What people say. The rod was of very good quality with no noticeable functional or cosmetic defects. It extends easily enough, thinning out toward the tip and stayed securely extended, never collapsing under use. I would characterize the power of this rod as a medium to medium heavy powered rod. Aside from the extra effort of extending the individual sections and aligning the line guides, it functioned every bit the same as a typical 1 or 2-piece spinning rod. I got good casting distance, and when I snagged a spoon on a rock, the rod was plenty strong to resolve the situation with the line breaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.